The unspeakable. We're going to be combing out my curls.
This video is not sponsored.
Today, I'm gonna be spicing up your life with my classic go-to picture day 90s hairstyles / early 2000s hairstyles. And today we're going to be doing the dreaded, the unspeakable. We're going to be combing out my curls. So the first look is this classic look right here. I feel like I look the same. What do you think? So first thing we're gonna do is comb out my hair. That is what you do for picture day. I feel like getting your curls combed out is like a rite of passage in your curly hair life when you were a 90s child. See how we have this separation happening in this photo? Like all the curls are separated. That's what we're going for. Today is definitely gonna be a wash day. All our curls are combed out. Next step, we're going to be adding a little bit of oil to our hair, and today I'm going to be using jojoba oil. It's probably not as greasy as the stuff my mom used to use, but it is kind of green. Oh, like what my mom used to use in my hair. Okay, it's looking like the photo. I'm going to take half of my hair like this, and I'm going to pull it up like that. I'm going to take this red scrunchie. And it's kind of like tipped to the side, sort of. Oh dear. Oh, okay. That scared me. I'm like, why aren't you with your brothers? So there she is. There's our first 90s look. What do you think? To be the belle of the ball. The most fabulous preschooler of them all. Let's see a side by side. I should probably put a picture of this on the screen. That is look number one. I feel like the half up, half down look was like the majority of my childhood photos, and I still do it to this day because it's easy, breezy, it's good for long hair. You get your hair off your face. Okay, look number two. So the next look we're doing, grade 4, the classic pigtail twist. I was actually unprepared for this picture day. This is just my regular hairstyle. We are going to do a center part. I don't have any bubblies. I'm sure they still exist, so if you want to get some of those, you can totally can. But I do have a scrunchie, so I'm just gonna use a scrunchie about that high. When was the last time I did my hair like this? Probably as an adult I've ever done my hair like this. I did like space buns at some point, but I already kind of look like a baby, and it was just too much. Did I go too high with this? I think I went a little too high. I have to bring this down maybe to like there. Already looking fourth grade fabulous. That's there. Wow, I'm sweating. Okay, let's just unzip it a little bit so I can breathe. Okay, we're going to do a twist. So you just separate it down the middle because you know you're definitely going to want to be recreating this look. And we went all the way to the bottom. Am I going to need more scrunchies? I might have to use a scrunchie that's bigger than the other. Ruin the whole look. I'm gonna see if I can find another scrunchie that's this size. Success, I found another scrunchie, so I'm just going to do the same to the other side. I'm just gonna separate these a little bit because I think there's a little bit more volume in these twists. How did we do? Classic everyday hairstyle, but also good enough for picture day. Ooh, and you know what was really fun? I forgot how much fun it was to have pigtails. Now on to look number 3. We have the grade 6 photo. Now, my mom actually attempted to straighten my hair, and I'm not gonna be straightening my hair for this video, so we're just gonna have to do some more combing out. This was back in the day. I don't even know if good straighteners existed. Maybe they did, but I did not own one. My mom used the hair straighteners that people with like a wave in their hair would use to like get rid of the wave. It was not meant for people with really curly hair. Okay, so the ponytail height is good. We need to get rid of some of these curls. The last time I straightened my hair was 2013 was 7 years ago. But mind you, I did some other stuff to my hair within that time. Like I had locks, I buzzed my head. So things were definitely done. I didn't straighten it, but I definitely did some things. This is pretty much the look. And also whip your hair. It doesn't have as much whipping action, but it's fluffy. So that is look number 3. And comment down below, what was your favorite? 1, 2, or 3. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!